Hi guys. So I think we're trying the other way around. It's gonna be me who's gonna be joining with Meher. Wait, I don't think so. She's there. She's there. Wait.
Ha! Did it!
I got you.
Hi, what's
Finally.
up? Yes,
What's up?
finally. Nothing.
Wow,
I'm
you
just
look
watching
lovely in
Choti
this.
Sardani. What are you doing?
I'll just show you in a
Just
minute.
watching Choti Sardani. What are you doing?
That's my favorite character.
Okay, kebab.
Bittu and Rana.
Oh, I didn't know what killer acting I'm
I
doing.
love them,
Please,
I love their chemistry. And
I'm
these
doing
scenes
a
were amazing,
fantastic
at this
job,
time.
yaar. This running.
I know.
Yeah. So, guys,
Apparently I haven't watched this episode.
please, you should watch it. It is a very nice episode. I'm praising
Yeah.
myself and others, Dilla family, but we nailed it. See.
And what exactly will happen? Let me just. Oh, look at you! You look so different.
No, I am the same.
Yes, you are.
Yeah. So basically, over here, I'm trying to call Sharma uncle, and I want to get a
And you
FIR.
know, for the first time, I'll just interrupt you. For the first time, I'm seeing you in this printed suit.
Yeah. I was like, I can't dress up like Meher, but this is my version of like how I like to be in Indian.
As close as possible.
Yeah. Haircut shirt. You have to watch this. This is very interesting.
The fresh mayor and the disheveled one.
Yeah, guys. Shh. मम्मी जी खूनी है.
You remember the dialogue also?
Yeah, I do. And then this is very fun because he drags me home, and you have to see the next scene. Like, it's just funny. Oh, P for
हाँ.
them. Very good. आगे सुनाओ.
Oh, the old cookie.
गाइस, ना आप लोगों का रिश्ता आता, ठीक है, ना मेरी जिंदगी ऐसे उछल पुछल होती. क्या जरूरत थी?
Not to me. Say that to KK ma'am.
बट रिश्ता तो आपकी हरलीन दीदी ने भेजा था ना.
हाँ.
तो क्यों भेजा?
It was one.
Don't justify. Oh, you.
Oh.
वो भी पीछे से कुछ नहीं सिखाया अपने बेटे को.
Silent sir.
Yeah, the silent syrup. So, Sherry, do you think
मैंने
we
बच्चे
should?
को प्यार करना सिखाया है. प्यार से किससे कैसे बात करते हैं.
I think.
That's why you were attracted to him.
To whom? Farab?
Varun.
Oh! Fun part, guys. You have to watch this. Very intense.
I think Jagga was never intense after that.
This was, I think, one of the best scenes that we did.
Yeah.
All of us together. Yeah! Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yes.
You know, this is what pure Punjabi families do. You know.
Yeah.
That's how they are. You know.
Khoon. And like anger is like khoon kholta and everything.
I know. It's there. It's always there.
Yeah. Acha. Also,
Also,
sorry. Oh, do you know who has joined this live? This live has
what?
been joined by Jalad Sharma. Sir!
He's always there.
Yeah, he's
Why would he
always
be
there.
missing?
I think like he's fine. So guys, आप सबको पता होना चाहिए कि जलद सर हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं. वैसे आप सबको पता ही होगा. सबसे पहले
Hello,
उनका ही
Jalad
नाम
sir.
आता है.
Say,
हमारे
say
शो
hi,
पे सिर्फ
please.
उनका ही नाम आता है, हमारा नहीं आता. But he's always there.
He needs to be the center of attraction.
Okay, so
Jalad sir, say hi at least.
Jalad sir, I think you should at least
Yeah.
comment. Acha, anyway, so now that we've seen a little bit of Choti Sadani Saath Mein, I wanted to ask some questions from you, and then you can also ask me. I don't mind answering your questions, but my question, which 2, 3 I thought I'd ask you. So I wanted
Yeah.
to know, and from all the fans, ki, which was your most favorite scene till date that you shot?
Till date.
Yeah,
Yeah, I've
like
been
in this
repeating
show.
this quite a lot of times.
Hmm.
My favorite scene till date was the Jamal Gota scene. You know,
Oh.
because why?
Hmm.
Let me tell you why.
Yeah.
Because that was a scene which broke the stereotype of me being a man of few words.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
it gave me a different dimension to my character. So I think that was the second banter scene of ours.
Hmm.
So that's why, and I think I did quite a good job because it was also a comedy scene, and I performed it for the first time on Choti Sardarni.
हाँ. And they say that
And
लोगों को रुलाना आसान होता है but लोगों को हंसाना मुश्किल होता है. This I remember one of my theater mentors back in school had said to me, and Kuljeet Singh sir, उन्होंने ये बोला था, and I think that's very true.
exactly, you know, finding comedy and the timing on comedy is very, very difficult.
Yeah, true.
But also because you know, उससे पहले सरब का character करते करते, because I was so my life was so shattered before that. I was so lonely. And
Yeah.
this person is very lonely.
Yeah.
So he doesn't speak much. He doesn't open much.
Hmm.
तो उस कैरेक्टर उस किरदार को इतना ज्यादा खोलने के लिए वो सीन्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थे. एंड आई थैंक राजेश चावला जी जिन्होंने वो डायलॉग ने बखूबी लिखे. यू रिमेम्बर वी यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट दिस व्हेन
Yeah.
जलद सर यूज्ड टू से कि चैनल वालों ने बोला कि यार प्लीज सरब को थोड़ा ओपन अप करो, सरब
हाँ,
को बोलो कि
हाँ.
थोड़ा ज्यादा खुल के आए. और मैं उनको
Yeah.
बोलता था, मैं सर वो नहीं पा रहा है बिकॉज डायलॉग्स ऐसे हैं. डायलॉग्स को ना थोड़ा चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
And when the dialogue changed. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
I think then
We
he
broke
made
it.
you, he turned you. I think the flavor of syrup changed completely, and you know, spontaneity, like being spontaneous was something that syrup all of a sudden became because of these scenes as a
That usually
character.
happens, I think, when there are good dialogues in it. Because what you're
Yeah.
speaking, that should, you know, mean something. और वो
Absolutely.
जिस हिसाब से लिखे उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा लिखा. आई थिंक उसमें उन्होंने मेहर का थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर डाला. बिकॉज मेहर जिस तरह से पहले थी, remember before
Yeah.
all those, you know, when your
Yeah.
life was happening, before
Yeah.
that what you were, so
Yeah.
that
I became so
scene
serious
was very my
afterwards. Yeah.
character.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think not just for you. I remember, you know, there was a point when because she was so sad, and I think Meher bhi bahut band chuki thi in a way. You know, after whatever happened, when you shut down as a person, so she also was no longer the fun girl that she used to be. But I think even for my character, it was बहुत अच्छा था क्योंकि I felt like I was exploring something new. I felt like I was being, there was a flavor of the old Meher, like you said, again. So that sort of these scenes gave that opportunity to play around with feeling light and just happy and spontaneous.
Yeah. But tell me one thing, that the way your character was in the initial period,
Yeah.
the first, you say 10, 15 episodes or 12 episodes, because it was so lively.
Yeah.
And later on, when that whole stereotype broke and you went into a different, you know, zone, because your life journey, the show is about Meher's life journey, you know,
Yeah.
how she handles all the situation, how she you know, cover up all the hurdles in life, and you know, so how she overcomes that and becomes that mature woman in life, how she will take care of that child, that love child born out of it. So how do you define yourself? How do you differentiate yourself? How difficult was it to differentiate from that Meher to the Meher which is now?
Oh, it's good question.
As an actor, I'm talking.
As an actor,
As an
yeah, I
actor.
know. You know, I think that it didn't come instantly, and I think the beauty of it was that it didn't come instantly, because I think when you go through something as traumatic as that, you cannot evolve into going back to ground zero immediately. So I was very happy that as an actor, even I would say, so on camera and off camera, if I talk about that. So off camera, there was a time when, because this is my first show, and initially I was only shooting with the Dhillon family, and I was in a very comfortable space by the, the first 2-3 months were just with them,
Yeah.
all of them. So that was my comfort zone. And cut to, as an actor, when I was thrown into this new house with a new set of actors to work, and it is fun. Why? Because you have the opportunity to now create something from scratch with another actor. Creatively you come together, and
Yeah.
it doesn't come instantly. I'm like, of course we both knew each other since the first mock, and since my audition days and your audition. You didn't audition, I
But
mean,
we never shot
yours
together.
was also, but we hadn't shot together, exactly. So, and every actor works differently. Like today I know how does a KK ma'am process herself, how does Dolly ma'am process herself, how do you process yourself. I know everybody is way of approaching a scene, but with you I didn't know that. So that unawareness to about how we work together was also facilitating Meher's journey, because instantly you can't expect this girl to open up to someone after all that has happened. So I like how the story took the time, or these characters took the time to reach where they are now and open up now.
Yeah.
And this is now a different side to them, and it
Exactly.
I think one thing that I learned from this process is that for an individual it is very possible to have different shades to themselves. And I've
Yeah.
realized that you will be a different person with different people. Like today, if I'm having a conversation with you, I'll be different. Tomorrow, if I'm having a conversation with my mom, I'll be different. So you will see different sides and shades to me, which is fantastic. So that was something that I loved exploring. With
So I think I'm also. So I think I will also somehow give credit to the story, the content, because the content was so strong.
yeah,
The content only helped me also to grow as an actor and as a character in this show. My journey. I think it's the journey, because it was never instant.
yeah,
So the character dimension was never instant. It was very gradual.
yeah,
So that really mattered a lot. With us also, I think our scenes together, how
yeah.
they were in the beginning, that
And how they are now, yeah.
and how it gradually became, and how we grew as Meher and Sarab.
Together,
So I think
yeah. And you know what's the best part?
journey-
That even as actors, there was a sense of a little bit of uncomfortableness. Like in the sense, if I compare my first scene with you, it was just so awkward. Like there is an awkward vibe and a layering in that scene when I watch it today. But that was perfect because even those characters had that
that was perfect.
awkwardness. Yeah,
do you remember
part.
those dubs which we do now?
Huh?
The dub which we do,
Yeah.
the dub for the previous scene.
Yeah.
So I'm not able to when I was doing the dub, right, for my
Yeah.
previous scenes, I was not able to do that. I was not able to bring that that
The
emptiness in
awkwardness.
myself,
Yeah. I get
which
it.
was there in my initial character. I hope, I'm sure, must have happened to you also.
Yeah, of course. I feel like, hey, I was doing this. What was I doing? So yeah, that happens. Also, should we take some fan questions now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I
There are no
want you to start scrolling. So we take alternate questions.
I think it's only hi, hello right now. A, B2, watch.
Guys,
if you have any
आप
questions
लोगों
to
को
ask
हमसे
us,
कुछ
please
नहीं पूछना.
do.
Otherwise, everybody
I'm
keeps saying,
favorite
please
team.
come live. We want to talk to you. And then when we come live, nobody asks anything. Why, guys? Please ask us some nice questions, no?
They just want us to say their names, I think, right now.
Take
Hi,
one
hello, Nidhi. See you.
Yes, please take all the girls who have joined us. सबके नाम ले लो. सब खुश हो जाएंगे. Khushi,
How can we miss UV?
show.
So how do you how do you differentiate your chemistry between UV and Param? Lost you.
Huh?
Meher, are you
Sorry.
there?
Yeah.
I said,
Yeah, I'm
how
there.
do you see UV and Param as characters? Different because you worked with both of them. You had like different chemistry with UV and Param,
Yeah.
and both
So
are very close to you.
yeah, so I was yesterday also watching the episode and I was feeling so towards UV. So when I met him for the first time, he is a brat and you know it. But the first time when I met him, I was scared. I was scared to just be in that space. I was like, this boy will bully me or he'll do something. This child is so notorious. So I was very scared. I remember we were shooting in Chandni Valley studio and that time we had come for a cake cutting ceremony. I was
Yeah.
like, ये बच्चा मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है इससे. But then eventually, I like how, he and when I speak to him also, he does treat me like a bua, off screen also. I like that. And he's just so notorious and it is so fun, guys. You should watch UV. Just the way he is, he's such a
He's
blessed child.
amazing.
He's too good, like
Yeah.
packed performance,
He's full
is
of energy. He's like Ranveer Singh of Choti Sardar.
yeah, and yeah, that is true. And then
Yeah.
with Savina, of course, it's fun because she's just 5, and I feel that you also feel that she's like the little baby on set, and I like how she is not as hyper as UV because that I can't handle. So I feel
But
is a
the way Param has grown as a character, how he changed himself as a character.
absolutely hats off. Too good. I feel that both the kids have also had like such a massive growth. Like when I see their old scenes, I see them now.
Yeah.
They've both emerged as such confident kids who are just ready to take on.
Exactly.
I think
If you see now, today's Param, he knows about his continuity so much that
yeah.
he can even tell a senior actor that okay, please, you're doing this wrong.
बच के रहना है. Otherwise they will just yeah. So I'm just gonna quickly read out some whatever people are writing. Hopefully, I
Keep
hope.
talking Hindi. Okay, I'm really sorry. अब मैं हिंदी में बात करूँ.
हाँ यार, पता है ये मेरी लाइफ शुरू होने से पहले ना my mom was like हिंदी में बोलना है. Yeah, and I was like, yeah, I'll think about it.
Yeah, of course. Hi, ma'am. Please say Pari.
So, let's just start reading from one corner. There's just so many highs.
Hello,
everybody. Hi. Hey, when are you guys coming back? One question I saw finally. Shilpa Ayush Ahuja said, hey, when are you coming back? We can't wait.
बहुत जल्दी आएंगे.
जैसे मोदी जी बोलेंगे कि लॉकडाउन खत्म, हम शूट उठा के से आ जाएंगे and then we'll start shooting.
हम तो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे हम 15 से शुरू कर देंगे, बट ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं पाया अनफॉर्चुनेटली. पर हम बहुत जल्दी वापस आएंगे. अब 3 मई तक है लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंडेड, सो लेट्स सी उसके बाद क्या आगे कैसे होता है. फिंगर्स क्रॉस. एग्जैक्टली.
Meher ma'am says, hello. We are enjoying traveling in your life journey. Thanks. Heartbeat Avians.
जलस सर, आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछ लीजिए.
प्लीज हमसे कोई सवाल पूछ लो, मेरा बहुत मन कर रहा है कुछ बोलने का.
also can't wait for.
Pinky is asking how are you? Pinky.
तो पता नहीं. I hope आपको हमारे नए सीन्स अच्छे लग रहे होंगे जो कि हम उस पे बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं. We are working from home and they are so difficult to shoot.
Yeah. Also, one of my friends.
But
Mehek,
I hope आपको अच्छे लगे.
I have to. Can you please say hi to Mehek? So she is a friend of mine, and she just wrote Param ki mummy heart. So she's very close to me. Hi Mehek. So yeah.
Hi Mehek. जल्दी वापस आना. हम बहुत जल्दी वापस आएंगे.
Sending you. So Choti Sadani Lover 123 said sending you all my love from London. Nimrit _ unicorn has said difference between Meher and Nimrit. I think you should answer this. Tell. Chalo.
Difference between you and Meher?
Yeah, that's what Nimrit _ unicorn _ has asked.
So the first difference is Nimrit speaks a lot of English Meher pushed a lot of it.
So true. But I don't know. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगने लग गया कि मेरी हिंदी निकलती तब है the
Nimrit
moment I tell myself.
is not very patient. Meher is very patient.
How rude. I'm also very patient, okay?
But being not patient is not rude. It's not
I
a
know.
bad thing to do.
Impatience.
Yeah.
Okay. चलो बस और नहीं जानना मुझे. But don't tell me more. I don't want to know more. Okay. So yeah, that was two things, guys. Nimrit talks a lot in English. Meher doesn't, and Nimrit is very impatient, and Meher is very patient. Vanshita is saying, "Hey Sarab, heart, Meher, big fan. Thank you."
हाय दीदी मुझे आपका नाटक बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you.
Thanks.
Can both of you tell your favorite taste?
Can we share what?
Can both of you tell your favorite taste? Your favorite dish, food.
Oh,
Yours is Chinese, of
Chinese.
course.
Chinese chili chicken.
Chinese chili chicken.
Yeah.
You knew mine? Didn't we played a game?
Oh yeah. So guys,
Yeah.
so we are very bad people. So we'll tell you something that we did. So basically हमें पता था कि हमें ये कैमरा के लिए कैसे गेम खेलनी है, ठीक है, जिसमें हम इससे एक दूसरे से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. तो हमने ना सीक्रेटली पहले क्वेश्चंस जान लिए एंड फिर जाने से पहले हमने सारे आंसर से एक्सचेंज कर लिए. तो सबको लगा कि हमें सबके एक दूसरे के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता है, पर ऐसा नहीं था. पर अब हमें पता है because of that game.
No, but I knew you like Chinese.
This everybody knows. Everybody knows this because I always say this. If you don't know this, then it's very sad.
Oh, look at this guy Bittu, man. Look at the transformation. This Bittu and the now Bittu. My
पहले
God.
बिट्टू बहुत हच्चा कच्चा था, बिट्टू बहुत.
अभी वो हट्टा करता है, but
Yeah, now he's very chiseled. I was going to say
How's
something
auntie
and I
doing?
forgot. Uncle, auntie are doing. So basically, the TV is in their room. So I literally told him, "Don't come here. Don't come here. Use your part of the life." Poor things. They've literally gone to the drawing room and they're like in one part of the house now because I've taken over 2 rooms.
I was watching that song which we just performed. Remember the song which we did for Colors?
Yeah.
मन पे है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास.
हाँ.
Yeah.
वो आया ना अभी तक.
I like that dupatta of yours, Tiranga.
Is it out?
You did not? It's out. I saw the video today. It's out on Colors. It was coming before our show.
Guys, मेरे को कोई क्यों नहीं बताता? I
think
was
it's not on the page.
Yeah, that was the only Kalagiri I did with my shots. Like I put the dupatta on the camera and then I.
Okay, tell me something. How are you managing to shoot the scenes?
So, दोस्तों, हम आप सबको बहुत प्यार करते हैं, इसलिए हम इतनी मेहनत करते हैं. पर it is not easy at all. So I have to take my mom's help. So I'll just discuss with you the lunch eating scene that we did, the lunch date that we got. So there were obviously a table, then another table, then there were 4 boxes. Then we finally placed the camera. Then we got the lamp. Then हमने एक नीचे coil जलाई क्योंकि दिल्ली में मच्छर बहुत सारे हैं. So I couldn't shoot. Then the sun was literally making my entire face like you couldn't see my face properly. So I have these silver colored dining table mats जिनको मैंने double sided tape से ऐसे wall पे चिपकाया था so that the sun reflects and the light comes into my face. Yeah. As a reflector, I did that. And then my mom had to give me the cues and she was the one who was shooting, and touch wood, she gives fantastic cues now. But it's so difficult for them also, just to help us. Because, and I must say this, I would now take this opportunity to thank both my parents for being very patient, but especially my mom, because had it not been for her, I would not have been able to shoot this. So I really appreciate it, but it is a tedious task. I miss my hair Didi, I miss my makeup dada, I miss my the entire creative team who can tell me what clothes to wear, and I don't.
Who does the makeup and hair for you?
Me. I have to do everything on my own. So I hate it. So this is which is why you understand. So I've never missed Padal Dada more, but I miss him so much. He does such good makeup, and I'm very bad with doing my makeup. and I just miss everybody now on set all the more because I
I
realized
was whom I was missing the most. सबसे ज़्यादा मैंने जिसको मिस किया because the whole scene was shot on terrace. तो
yeah
terrace पे मैं था, तो उस टाइम पे मैंने सिर्फ दो लोगों को सबसे ज़्यादा मिस किया. एक लाइटिंग डिपार्टमेंट को, एक कैमरामैन को.
I can
Sunil and
imagine.
lighting department, both of them.
Yeah.
You know, first time I realized the importance of a skimmer. स्किमर कितना इम्पोर्टेंट. हम वहाँ पर इरिटेट होते रहते हैं, स्किमर नहीं लगा, इधर उधर शिफ्ट कर रहे हो, कभी इधर शिफ्ट कर
क्या
रहे
है
हो,
यहाँ
लेके
क्यों
जा
कर रहे
रहे
हो
हो,
वो क्यों कर रहे हो यहाँ
क्या है, कितना टाइम लगेगा, इतना टाइम लग गया स्किमर लगाने पे. बट
I
hats off
think
to them, you know how they work.
seriously
The crew is
and touch wood, I
amazing. The
feel that we
crew,
are blessed with a very nice team. Like any team that we, you know, whether it's the creative, whether it is the technicians, whether it's the camera team, everybody, direction team, everybody is just so, it's like family. And I have never realized their importance more, like you said, but I do realize सबकी importance
now,
बहुत अच्छे से यार. I miss them all.
Jeetu, Patil Dada, where are you
No,
guys?
I hope they're watching this
Anmol.
live, man. They should know that we miss them. Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, any more questions? Nobody? Nobody wants to
Who was
ask.
your favorite in Big Boss? Sorry, Big
Raj
Boss
Chopra.
हमने मैंने ज़्यादा.
Ha ha ha.
But yeah, mine was
Mine was Raj Shukla. He won. I'm saying, I'm
mine
taking
was
credit.
Rashmi was good. And even that guy who rapped, who was that? I don't remember his name.
Acha, anyway,
So
I
guys-
just want to tell you one thing. Sorry guys, but I have to go make dinner today because I promised my mom. So I'm going to head out and make dinner. And also, you don't forget to share the video on the story of colors. And I'm telling you this because you're not very technologically sound.
Who, me?
Yes. Please
This-
share it so
and
that
the story?
people can go to it and can watch us again. Like rewatch us.
This on the feed, na? Not on a story, obviously.
So when you end the live, guys, today आज हम सरबजीत जी को टेक्नोलॉजी और इंस्टाग्राम के बारे में कुछ सिखाने जा रहे हैं. इसके बाद हम चले जाएंगे, बट मैं जाते जाते उनको सिखाना चाहूंगी थोड़ी ऐसे ब्रेन ज्ञान सेंडिंग. Is that when you end the live, they will. So there
now
is an
you scared
option.
me more.
No. So there is an option that will come which says share it on story. So you press
I
that
will
button.
share it on story.
Yes, please share it on
I'll
story.
definitely.
Thank you guys that you tuned in. It was fun watching Choti Sadani आप सबके साथ. Next time, please questions पूछ लेना. And
Yeah.
I shall now
I
go
think
and
it'll be coming soon. I hope, like, when we have that terrace scene of ours, they put a live of ours. So
Oh,
we can
yes.
discuss that properly. You know?
Yes, yeah,
It'll be more
Done.
exciting then.
fun.
Now we have so much time till 3rd of May.
Don't
So
even
we'll be
remind.
more available.
Yes, we promise, guys, and we'll come up with good videos and we'll keep you guys entertained.
Yeah.
Till then, keep
And
watching
we are coming
Choti
up with
Sadani.
another scene of ours, an Antakshari scene. So please tune on to that. I think
Yeah.
it will be out soon. So please watch that.
And
Chalo.
let's do the always that we do. Guys, please continue to watch Choti Sadani on Colors, Monday to
7 to 8.
Yeah.
7 से 8 बजे The Colors पर Monday to Saturday.
No, Friday. Saturday.
Not on Saturday.
No, not on Saturday. No.
Okay, Monday to Friday.
Okay. Bye, guys. Thank
All
you.
right. Bye.
Don't forget
Bye,
to
guys.
share on
Yeah,
the
yeah, I'll just do that.
story. Okay. Bye.
Bye bye. See you.
See you.